Hello everyone, this is Suroj here. Welcome you all to my channel. Today we will discuss how to connect to an EC2 instance if the private key is lost. So I will go to my AWS account first. You can see here EC2 dashboard is opened and I am in Singapore region right now. I will launch one EC2 instance first. This is Amazon Linux 2 AMI. We'll select this and I will choose t2.micro as instance type. I'll configure instance. I will leave this page as it is. We'll add one storage. 8GB EBS volume is attached by default. So I will add one tag here. Name this as main. Security group, I will create one. MySG. This is MySG. And port 22 is open for allowing SSH. So I'll launch, I'll choose and I'll create one key pair, that is lost key. I will name this as lost key. Download key pair. In this location I will download this lost key. Right, I will launch instances. View instances. The EC2 instance is up and running now, and the instance type is t2.micro and availability zone is AP Southeast 1A. So now what I will do, I will connect to this instance first. So how to connect to this instance? So I will go to the folder where I have downloaded the PIM file, and in that location I will launch one SSH client. Mobile extrem here because lostkey.pim is there. I will open this. I will do ls-l. Yes, you can see lostkey.pim is there. I will change the permission. I will give the read permission only to the user. Lostkey.pim. Again ls-l. You can see only read permission is there. So I will do ssh-i lostkey.pim ec2-user at the public IP of this instance. Yes, it is now connected. Yes, it is getting connected actually. Yes, it is now connected. I will list all the files. Nothing is there. I will create one and the content will be hello from main EC2, right? I will name the file as main.txt, ls-l to see all the files. Yes, main.txt. I will do cat main.txt. You can see hello from main EC2 is there, right? So what I will do, I will disconnect the instance. I've closed this. Now assume the private key has been lost or it has been deleted. So how to get back the data within this instance? So the step will be, I will stop this instance and will detach the EBS volume from this instance, and will create a temporary EC2 instance and will launch or will attach the EBS volume of the main EC2 instance to the temporary EC2 instance. Fine. And in that EBS instance I will put the new public key of the new key pair. So let me do that first, then it will be very much clear to you. So I will stop this instance first. Stop instance. It is getting stopped. So till that time I will create another EC2 instance or launch another EC2 instance in the same availability zone, that is AP South 1A. So launch instance, the same instance I can choose as it is in free tier. t2.micro. So here I will choose AP Southeast 1A. Add storage. You can see dep xvda is there and 8GB EBS volume is selected by default. And name this as temp. I will select the existing security group which we already have created earlier. We'll launch this and we'll create another key pair, that is new key. We'll download this new key in the same location and we'll launch instances. View instances. You can see the state of the temp EC2 instance is pending. So, and the state of the main EC2 instance is stopped. So what I will do, I will detach the EBS volume from this EC2 instance, from the main EC2 instance. Go to volume. I will refresh this main. I will detach this from the main EC2 instance. Yes, it is now detached. Now you can see it is now available. Yes, it is now available, and the temp EBS volume is in use with the temp EC2 instance. So now I will attach the main EBS volume to temp EC2 instance. We will attach the volume, and here I will choose temp EC2 instance, which is in running state now. We will attach the volume. Yes, it is in use. You can see it is in use, and the same EC2 instance. See here, both are temp EC2 instance. So now what I will do, I will connect to this instance, to connect to this temp instance. So for that I will follow the same rule. Here I will launch one client, that is SSH client, and this time I will try to connect to the instance using the new key, right? So I will do chmod 400 new key.pem ls-l. See here, the permission has been changed to read only. So ssh-i, that is new key.pem ec2-user at the public IP of the temp EC2 instance. Yes, it's now getting connected. Yes, df-h. You can see here only one EBS volume is mounted here. I will list all the blocks which are attached to this instance. lsblk, you can see this xvdf. This is the EBS volume which was the root volume of main EC2 instance. So what I need to do, I need to mount this EBS volume to this temp EC2 instance. So for that I will create one temporary directory, temp-dir. I will name this as temp-dir. Okay, cd temp-dir, not it will be mkdir temp-dir. The name of the directory is temp-dir, and mkdir is used to create one directory, or that is make directory. So now I will go to sudo and will mount that, mount -o no uuid, and the file system is /dev/xvdf1, and the path is actually /home/ec2-user, and that is temp directory which we have created just now. Fine. Yes, it is now mounted. I will go to df-h. You can see here this has been mounted now in this location, right? So now I will list all the files and directories here, and the hidden files also. So for that, what I need to do, I need to include a after l, that is ls-la, to get the hidden files also. You can see .ssh directory is there. I will go to this directory and will list this. You can see authorized.keys is there. Fine. So what is this? I will cat this file to see the contents. You can see new key. Yes, new key. So this portion is the from here to here. This is public key of the key pair. Which key pair? That is new key.pem. This is the public key which is stored within this EC2 instance. So as per the logic, the same public key or the public key of lost key should be present in the EBS volume which was attached to the main EC2 instance, right? So I can find that using after going to that location, or after going to this EBS volume. So I'll go here. So first of all I will go to home. So from here I will go to this one. Okay, so here the home is there. Yes, you can see this is the volume. What is this? This is the EBS volume which was attached to main EC2 instance, right? So within this volume, home should be there, and within this EC2-user should be there. This is for the old or the main EC2 instance. So here SSH folder should also be there, right? So here I will list the file ls-l and cat authorized keys. You can see this is the lost key, okay, not new key. So this is the public key of the lost key pair, right? So what we need to do, I will change the public key. So this public key will be there in this location, right? So I will go to the home path of the temp EC2 instance and I will copy what I will copy. I will copy SSH authorized this file to where? To /home/ec2/temp directory. So this path is present in the temp EC2 instance, and from here I will go to the EBS volume of the main EC2 instance, right? So home EC2 user, then .ssh, and in this location I will put the same authorized key, right? Now enter. Now I will go here and we'll check whether it has been changed or not. Yes, see here, it is now replaced with new key. Previously it was lost key, right? So now I will go to the home path and I will unmount the file system umount. The command is umount. Okay, I have to be sudo first. Sudo umount and the file system name, that is dev xvdf1, right? It is now unmounted. I will do df-h. You can see only the root volume is there and the EBS volume which was attached to the EBS volume which was attached to the main EC2 instance is not there. So I list blk, I list blk. You can see it is actually attached but not mounted. That is fine. I will exit from this instance. I will close this, and now what I need to do, I will detach this volume. I will detach the main volume from the temporary EC2 instance. Detach volume. I will refresh this. Yes, it is now available. Okay, so what I need to do, I will now attach the main volume to the main EC2 instance. Attach volume. This is the main EC2 instance which is in stop state. Here you can see the device name should be /dev/xvda. Otherwise it will not assume this EBS volume as root volume. It will think this EBS volume as another attached volume, okay, another extra volume, you can say. When the xvda is there, then it will consider this, the EC2 instance will consider this volume as root volume, right? So attach volume, refresh this page. Yes, it is in use. Go to this instance, we'll select the main EC2 instance and I will start the instance. You can see here the main EC2 instance is up and running now. So I will connect to this instance in the same way. Okay, so here I launch the SSH client, that is MobiXterm here. I will do ls-l. I will use the new key.pem now. Okay, not lost key.pem which has been deleted. You just assume, or you can delete this file from your system. So I will do chmod 400 new key.pem. I will do ls-l. You can see only read permission is there. Now I will do ssh-i. new key.pem, and now ec2-user @ the public IP of the main EC2 instance. Yes, it is now connected, successfully connected. I will do df-h. You can see this is the root volume here, and I will do ls-l. Okay, ls-l. See, the main.txt file is there, which was our important file, which we have lost. Actually, the file we have not lost, we have lost the primary, or we have lost the private key. So that is why we were unable to connect to this instance. But there was another process which I have shown you. So by changing the public key, or by changing the key pair, I have successfully connected to this instance and got our files, important files, whichever were there in this EBS volume. Okay, so that is the fact. And once you have now successfully connected to this instance, you can now terminate the temporary EC2 instance. Terminate instance. It is now getting terminated, and this is your main volume, which is important to you. Okay, so that's it for now today, and we'll see you in the next video. And if you really like this video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe, and press the bell icon. Bye bye.